The year is 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here. It's creating art, writing code, and even designing websites. The release of OpenAI's GPT 4.0 sent shockwaves through the world. Its ability to generate stunningly realistic images from text prompts is revolutionary. But is it a revolution for good? Or are we stepping into uncharted, potentially dangerous territory? Legendary animator Hayao Miyazaki famously warned about the dangers of AI in art. He feared a world where machines mimicked human creativity, leading to a devaluation of art itself. Miyazaki's warnings, once seen as alarmist, now feel eerily prescient. GPT 4.0 and its counterparts are blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. The potential benefits are undeniable. AI can empower artists, designers, and creators with new tools and possibilities. Imagine a world where anyone can bring their wildest imaginations to life with a few lines of text. But what about the risks? What happens when AI-generated content floods the internet? How do we distinguish between reality and fabrication? These are not hypothetical questions, they are urgent concerns. The future of art, creativity, and even reality itself hangs in the balance. GPT-4.0's image generation capabilities are nothing short of astounding. It employs a technique called autoregressive modeling. This means the AI builds images pixel by pixel, learning from patterns and relationships within the data it was trained on. The result? Images of unprecedented realism and quality. Users can provide text prompts describing the desired image: a cat wearing a spacesuit playing the drums, a surreal landscape with floating islands and waterfalls in the sky. GPT 4.0 can generate it all, often with astonishing accuracy and detail. It can even mimic the styles of famous artists, creating works that are both familiar and entirely new. This technology has the potential to revolutionize entire industries. Imagine architects using AI to generate building designs, filmmakers creating special effects with a few keystrokes, or advertisers crafting eye-catching campaigns in minutes. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. As AI-generated content becomes more prevalent, a critical question emerges. How do we know what's real anymore? The answer may lie in a technology called C2PA watermarking. Developed by the Coalition for Content Provenance and Authenticity, this invisible watermark is embedded within images created by AI systems like GPT 4.0. This digital fingerprint allows for the identification of AI-generated content, even after it has been shared or altered. This is crucial in combating misinformation and deepfakes, which have the potential to sow discord and erode trust. Imagine a world where political campaigns are swayed by fabricated images or news stories are illustrated with AI-generated scenes. However, C2PA watermarking raises concerns about privacy and creative freedom. Some argue that it could be used to track and monitor individuals, while others worry that it could stifle artistic expression. The debate over the ethics and implications of this technology is only just beginning. Section 4. A global race for AI dominance. OpenAI's GPT 4.0 is not alone in the AI arena. Google's Gemini 2.5, released with surprisingly little fanfare, has proven to be a formidable contender. Gemini excels in coding, boasting a larger context window than even OpenAI's latest offering. It has also outperformed GPT 4.0 in some reasoning tasks, demonstrating the rapid pace of development in the field. Meanwhile, China's AI scene is experiencing an explosion of its own. Companies like DeepSeek, Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance are all vying for dominance, releasing increasingly sophisticated AI models with capabilities rivaling their Western counterparts. The global race for AI supremacy is on, with each player bringing its own strengths and strategies to the table. This competition is driving innovation at a breakneck pace, but it also raises concerns about ethics, regulation, and the potential for misuse. As AI becomes more powerful, the need for international cooperation and responsible development becomes increasingly critical. Section 5. Unleashing a torrent of creativity and chaos. The release of GPT 4.0 has unleashed a torrent of creativity online. Dedicated Discord servers have become hubs for showcasing AI-generated art, music, and even interactive stories. Users are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, collaborating with AI to produce works that would have been unimaginable just a few years ago. From stunningly realistic portraits to whimsical landscapes and abstract compositions, the variety and quality of AI-generated art are breathtaking. Entire visual novels, manga series, and animated shorts are being created with the help of AI, democratizing creative expression and challenging traditional notions of authorship. However, this explosion of AI-generated content is not without its risks. The ability to create hyper-realistic images of people raises concerns about identity theft, digital impersonation, and the spread of misinformation. Imagine a world where anyone can be digitally inserted into compromising situations or malicious actors can fabricate evidence with ease. Section 6. The blurred lines of authorship. The rise of AI art has ignited a fierce debate about authorship and originality. If a machine creates a work of art, who owns the copyright? The programmer? The user who provided the prompt? The AI itself? These are complex questions with no easy answers. Some argue that AI art lacks the emotional depth and originality of human creation, reducing it to mere mimicry or technical wizardry. Others see it as a collaborative process, with the AI acting as a tool or muse to enhance human creativity. The lines between artist and tool, creation and generation, are becoming increasingly blurred. This debate has profound implications for the future of art and creativity. Will AI become a collaborative partner pushing the boundaries of human expression? Or will it render human artists obsolete, flooding the world with an endless stream of derivative soulless content? Section 7. The dawn of the AI collaborator. GPT 4.0 is more than just a technological marvel. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about AI, from a tool to a collaborator. This collaboration has the potential to reshape not just the creative industries but countless fields, from science and engineering to medicine and education. Imagine doctors using AI to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, architects designing sustainable cities with the help of AI simulations, or teachers personalizing education plans for each student based on AI-powered insights. The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. However, this new era of AI collaboration also requires careful consideration of its ethical implications. As AI systems become more integrated into our lives, we must ensure that they are developed and deployed responsibly, with transparency, accountability, and a focus on human well-being. The future is here, it's up to us to shape it wisely.